MV Agusta Brutale 1000 Nürburgring is a masterpiece of engineering, combining raw power with refined aerodynamics and cutting-edge technology. Designed as an ultra-exclusive model, it is limited to just 150 units, making it one of the most sought-after Hypernaked motorcycles in the world. It features a 998cc inline-four engine that produces 208 horsepower in its standard form, but with the optional race kit, including an Akrapovic titanium exhaust and a dedicated EQ, it reaches an impressive 215 horsepower. The bike is capable of exceeding 300 km per hour, making it one of the fastest naked motorcycles ever built. One of its standout features is its use of lightweight carbon fiber components, including VST carbon fiber wheels, which significantly reduce unsprung mass and improve handling. The aerodynamic winglets on the front, a rarity for a naked bike, provide additional downforce at high speeds, increasing stability and confidence when pushing the bike to its limits. The steel trellis frame with aluminum side plates ensures a perfect balance between rigidity and weight savings, contributing to its precise handling characteristics. The Nürburgring edition is equipped with advanced electronics, including MV Agusta's motor and vehicle integrated control system MVICS, which offers precise throttle response and multiple riding modes. The Öhlins electronic suspension, with an MVICS front fork and an ECTTX rear shock, dynamically adjusts to road and track conditions, ensuring optimal grip and comfort. Brembo Stylema brakes with 320mm discs and Continental MK100 cornering tabs provide exceptional stopping power. With its distinctive Nürburgring livery, aggressive design, and a host of high-performance upgrades, the MV Agusta Brutale 1000 Nürburgring is a machine built for extreme performance enthusiasts and collectors who demand the best in both aesthetics and technology.